Hey everyone, welcome back to How to PC. Today, I'll show you how to enable Google Play Protect and disable unknown sources for APK installation on both stock Android and brands like Realme, Oppo, and Vivo. This will help protect your phone from harmful apps and malware. Let's get started. Google Play Protect is a built-in security feature on Android that scans apps for malware and prevents harmful apps from being installed. But sometimes it's turned off by default. Let's check if it's enabled. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Now, scroll down and select Play Protect. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Make sure Scan Apps with Play Protect is turned on. This will automatically scan apps for threats and keep your device safe. If you ever suspect a harmful app, you can manually scan your phone. Go back to the Play Protect screen. Tap the Scan button. Play Protect will check all installed apps for security threats. If it finds anything suspicious, it will alert you to uninstall the harmful app immediately. To prevent malware, you should disable the ability to install APK files from unknown sources. If you are using a Realme, Oppo, or Vivo phone, follow these steps. Open the Settings app. Tap Security and Privacy. Scroll down and tap More Security and Privacy. Scroll again and tap Installation Sources. You will see a list of apps that can install APK files. Tap each app like Chrome, File Manager, or any browser. Toggle off the option that says Allow from this source. Now, no apps can install APK files from outside the Play Store. If you're using stock Android or a phone like Samsung, Google Pixel, or OnePlus, follow these steps. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Apps and Notifications or just Apps. Tap Advanced, then select Special App Access. Tap Install Unknown Apps. You'll see a list of apps with APK installation permission. Tap each app like Chrome, Files, or any browser. Toggle off the option Allow from this source. Now your phone is safe from unauthorized app installations. And that's it. Now you've secured your Android phone by enabling Google Play Protect and disabling APK installations from unknown sources. Check Play Protect regularly to ensure your phone stays protected. Only download apps from the Google Play Store to avoid security risks. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.